Famous rapper RODWAVE was involved in a near-fatal
Florida Tampa Bay rapper RODWAVE in near-fatal car accident totaling his brand new 2020 C8 Corvette.
It's the next day and we're on a time crunch. Still haven't ordered parts, we still haven't hit 100K subscribers, and we still can't drive the Corvette.
And I'm still not getting paid, dude. Like, like we need some more. I'm trying to get paid out here.
I just went and got this lug nut key because this is what was holding me up yesterday. I already took one out. Here, let me show you what we got going on. Piece of shit, Ford. Should have bought a Chevy. So, literally I just got back from the Chevy dealership and no one sells the locking lug nut key to take this wheel off because I need to get this wheel off. And we need to get the wheel off that side so we start taking apart the front end. But I just got this from my boy. He loaned it to me, and now we can start working. And we can order parts. That shit is so heavy. Oh. Can't get the jersey dirty. You get the brand new white shirt. Donnie will do it, pulling up. That's Donnie will do it right there. He's a legend around here. Pretty much what we got right here is a way to get the lug nuts off without having the key. You pound this on with this and then it takes it off. You pound it. Oh, that didn't work. You gotta pound it harder. Money, come on. Bro, you know what someone called us today? TikTok mechanics. I'm actually gonna pull all these off. Yeah, that's how you work on 2020 Corvettes.
Judas bodyguard. Get this thing strapped up.
That ain't no bulletproof vest. Your whole body's still exposed. You'd still get blasted.
That's a big target walking around.
I don't think you're missing Donnie. Anybody who's trying to shoot is hitting Donnie.
So we can finally take this wheel off. We should have done this like 2 days ago, but that locking lug nut key held us up a little bit. How fast do you think I can do this? Time.
Now that's fast.
What was it?
Fast.
Honestly, now we can start ordering some parts. We gotta go to the dealership. Yeah, you guys trying to take the Hellcat or the truck?
Corvette.
Truck. I say the truck's the better option. Yep, truck it is.
I'm gonna show you how to get in this truck.
Dude, the whole truck bound. Sauce 2 inches of lift on that bitch.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
We're about to go to the dealership to get parts. We had some friends show up. You guys are coming to get parts with us?
Yeah, we're gonna build it. We're
You're
gonna buy them for you.
Oh shit. I like these girls. These girls are cool. Met these girls on Tinder.
A little bit of clout and now girls just pull up to your house.
These girls only want me for my C8. It's like we're like on a field trip, not going to get parts. Who knew getting parts for the C8 would be so much fun? Oh god, cop.
I'm done.
Windows up. Here, I got my parts list. This is honestly everything for the whole front end, so we still gotta choose what I need. My boys here are hooking me up at Roger Dean Chevrolet. We're about to get our parts on order. Hopefully they don't take forever. So we're working on the Vette again, and it's time to start ripping this thing apart. We got the parts on order, they're on the way, and it's time to keep disassembling this thing. So the goal today is to rip this off, rip this fender off. Oh, she can't hit that too hard. Get this headlight off, and then, I don't know, we're just gonna start pulling this thing apart because the parts are on the way. So I guess we gotta get to work. We got our master mechanic here.
Yeah, I'm about to get in on this. Got the hat on, so.
Hat gives you power around here, I think. But I guess first things first is I'm gonna get this fender off, and I'm gonna get, you know, this little stuff off because we're trying to see what we're missing on that side. I already ordered all the main stuff, but once I get this fender off, we're gonna see what we're missing on that side. Should be pretty easy, so let's get at it.
Cue the music.
Sometimes you just gotta rip stuff off, you know? I didn't know how this came off, but now we know. For all you guys out there working on your C8s, I know there's so many of, oh, dirt in my eye. I know there's so many of you. Always put the bolts back where they were at. Tech tip. I think people have a lot of doubt in me. Like, they don't think I'm actually gonna pull this off. People be talking a lot of smack online. I wish it wasn't damaged. We're gonna need a new one.
Nah, no one will see it.
Yeah, no one will see it. We'll be good. Oh my god.
What?
It's so clean. It actually is like minty. I call that minty fresh. I really hope I can save this fender, which is like 800 bucks. Can you get another bag? You get the bag?
Got the bag.
You flip and tumble it?
I flip it. You fumble.
Fender removed. Think we can fix that? Or we need a new one?
What's it
What do you think? I think this can be fixed, bro. Yeah, I'm definitely fixing this. This is like 900 bucks. So the fender got a little messed up, but the door, perfect. I guess it's not perfect, but it's got this little tiny nick here, but that'll buff, you know. It'll be all right. Now,
Headlight.
yeah, headlight out.
Come on, let's do it. Pick it up.
Let me get
The fuck? She ain't even plugged in with a Bluetooth connection.
the headlight, all these brackets broke off. Look at, it's like you drop it.
Nah,
These brackets broke off, so I'm gonna need to weld these back on because I'm definitely not buying a whole new headlight because these little brackets broke off. We gotta figure out a way to
JB Weld.
Yeah, you think you got that, Matthews? A little bubble gum? Little super glue? Let me put this bolt back in here, flip it over. This is how you don't lose stuff. Put it back where you found it. So the only thing that's messed up on this side is obviously this frame rail, and then this cage here that holds all these radiators is bent because this is bent, but I think I might be able to bend that back. This is all, just because this was touching the wheel because this was bent. It's a little kinked out. But, you know, we got a new frame rail coming in. Look at these brackets, got bent back, and then this one's bent. You see it came up a little bit, but they're not messed up at all. They're just like, I mean, you wouldn't know it's bent unless you look at this side. So then look at this side. Look at the brackets are straight. So literally we can just straighten out those brackets and then attach all this stuff back on how it was. So once we get these new frame rails put on, which literally bolt in, literally this whole front end will be done. And you already know we're gonna be ripping it with no front end. Bring it to the track. I'll literally drive it around town like this. Like right when I get the chance to drive it, I'm driving it. Kiss me when I'm busy. Matthews, I need a bag, bro. You're a bag boy. You're like the water boy of parts. Call Matthews Bag Boy. That's his new IG name.
I do need a new IG name. Judas Garage's Bag Boy. That's gonna be my IG name.
If we blow on Matthews, I'm getting you a custom Instagram name. We do it right around here at Judas Garage. We don't half-ass shit, only sometimes.
Only when we're feeling lazy.
I have the glasses on my head. Imagine like I messed up my eye with the glasses on my head. Come on, son. This thing's gonna be fixed by tonight. We say that like every video. Dude, I swear the hardest thing on these cars is undoing clips. Like little clips like this. It's like nothing more difficult. Yo! I wish we could have saved this one, to be honest. It's not even that messed up. Like, it bend that back. Yeah, we gotta get a new one.
Yeah, dude.
So we're gonna have to we're gonna pull this off no matter what. This whole cage is either gonna need to be bent back, and we gotta put a new frame rail in. So we're gonna pull these radiators off. It should be, I don't know, it shouldn't be too hard. It should be pretty simple.
The bag boy's about to slide, dude.
You paid overtime?
Wait, you're getting paid?
Hey, don't be talking about that. You guys go on strike one day, it's like you guys all don't show up. I'm like, hey, guys, what happened? You guys are like, we're not showing up until we get paid. I'm like, oh, thank God we did. Yo, we got... Live action. Oh my God. I'm such an idiot, bro. Bro, I just broke it off. You think it was already broken?
It might have broke when you
When I dropped it. I'm just gonna believe that it was already broken. Oh no, it already was, I swear. I remember seeing it. I didn't, I don't remember seeing it.
The girl of mine. She looks like the girl of...
That's how we play, boy!